Hello, everyone. Today I'll be talking about an amazing plant, the mangrove tree. These trees live in some of the harshest environments on Earth, yet they thrive and protect entire ecosystems. Let's explore how they survive, grow, and use energy. Mangroves grow along coastlines in salty, muddy water where most plants cannot survive. They are unique because they can handle flooding, salty soils, and low oxygen. Beyond just surviving, mangroves are important for people and animals. They protect shorelines from erosion, store carbon, and create habitats for fish and birds. Like most plants, mangroves make their own food through photosynthesis. Their leaves capture sunlight and use it to turn carbon dioxide and water into sugar, which the tree uses for energy. But mangroves face a challenge, which is salt. Their roots are like filters blocking out most of the salt so the plant can safely take in water. They also recycle nutrients very efficiently, which helps them survive in poor soil. At the cellular level, mangroves need energy to grow, pump salt out of cells, and stay alive. This energy comes in the form of ATP, which can, which we can think of as the plant's battery. ATP is made during cellular respiration, when sugar is broken down with oxygen to release energy. Without ATP, the mangrove could not power the processes it needs to survive in such a tough environment. Enzymes, like tiny workers inside the cell, they speed up the chemical reactions that keep the plant alive. In mangroves, enzymes help with photosynthesis, respiration, and cell regulation. If enzymes didn't work properly, these reactions would slow down or stop, and the tree would not survive. So enzymes are critical helpers that help the mangrove's energy system run smoothly. Photosynthesis is the process where mangroves use sunlight to make food. The light reaction captures sunlight and create energy carriers. And the Calvin cycle uses those carriers and carbon dioxide to build sugars. A key enzyme called rubisco helps in the process. Mangroves have special adaptations like aerial roots called pneumatophores that store energy, that store oxygen and help them carry out photosynthesis and respiration even when their roots are underwater. Cellular respiration happens in three main stages. First, glycolysis breaks down glucose into smaller molecules in the cytoplasm. Next, the Krebs cycle in the mitochondria produces energy carriers and releases carbon dioxide. Finally, the electron transport chain uses these carriers to produce large amounts of ATP, the energy the cell can use. The step-by-step process ensures the mangroves has enough power to grow, reproduce, defend itself against stress. To sum up, mangroves capture sunlight, turn it into sugar, and break it down into ATP, the energy that powers life. Enzymes help speed up every step along the way. Their special adaptation, like salt-filtering roots and oxygen-storing structures, allow them to thrive where most trees cannot. Beyond the biology, mangroves protect coastlines, provide homes for wildlife, and play a vital role in healthy ecosystem. Thank you for your time.